my channel Arpana's Art Room. My name is Arpana, and if you are new here, be sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and tell me on comment section how you like this video. Now let's start the video.
First step, draw a circle. I'm using a cup here. You can use anything to make a big circle. Now I'm adding beads to the dreamcatcher. Add different sizes of beads will make the drawing more interesting and decorative. I have added 3 strings of beads, and in the end of the strings I am adding feathers. Next step, you have to paint the background of the dreamcatcher. For that I have mixed red and white color. Now mix a little bit of white, pink and ultramarine blue to make purple color. And I am using this color to paint circles and some part of the feathers. In this step, you have to create a light green color, for which I have mixed light pink with green color. And I am using the same color to make an inner circle and adding some colors into the feather. Now create a pinkish red color and paint the smallest circle in the middle of dreamcatcher, some beads and remaining parts of the feathers. In this step, I am going to add more depth and detail into the dreamcatcher. I am using a black pen to outline and give final finishing to the painting. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Thanks for watching.